Hello everyone, welcome back to your hub. And in this video, we will see the latest job notification from DRDO Center for Airborne System. And this job role is called Junior Research Fellowship, and it is for temporary basis, and mostly it is for more than 2 years, and it can be extended further. Okay, and this notification was released on 9th of August, and the last date to complete the procedure, or the last date to reach your application in the address mentioned here will be 30th of August. Okay, and there are 20 vacancies, and you can see the disciplines. For aeronautical engineering we have 2 vacancies, and the requirement is aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering or aerospace engineering in avionics. Similarly, for computer science engineering we have 5 vacancies, electronics and communication we have 9, and electrical engineering we have 1, mechanical 3 vacancies. And the research areas is mentioned here is aerodynamics, structural design, radar engineering, communication engineering, networking, display system, mission computer, thermal management, etc. The Center for Airborne System is mainly focusing on avionics design, like designs of radome system, etc. for our military aircraft as well as for the transport aircraft. Okay, and the place for this research fellowship is Center for Airborne System, DRDO, Ministry of Defense, that's in Bangalore, mentioned here. The duration I told you earlier, it is initially for 2 years, which can be extended further for 2 more years. Okay, and it is based upon the subject, it's subject to your review and performance of your during your tenure. Okay, during your training period. And the stipend is 31,000 per month plus HRA, so you'll be getting more than 31,000. You'll be getting approximately 35,000. And the main thing is you should have the qualification, that is for aeronautical we have aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, and aerospace engineering avionics. So you should have BE BTech with first class first division with a valid GATE score. So you should process a BTech degree with a valid GATE score. And also mention that the only GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 are acceptable. Okay, so the previous GATE like 2019s are not acceptable here. And if you don't have BE BTech with GATE score, if you have done MTech in aero engineering, you can also apply for the same post. And the age limit is mentioned here. Maximum age limit is 28 years of age, 28 years, and you will be getting some relaxation based upon your category. And the selection procedure, there will be shortlisted candidate based upon the valid GATE score and mark obtained in the graduate and postgraduate degree, and they will be called for the interview. Okay, and it will be indicated by email or SMS. Okay, the procedure is you have to fill an application form that is furnished that is available in the website. You can see the application form that can be downloaded from What's New section of DRDO website. The website is mentioned here. This is a website. Okay, from this website go to the section called What's New, and from that you can download the application form. And this application form should be completely filled, and it should be sent to the particular email ID. That is, this is the email ID jrf.rect@caps.drdo.in. Okay, so these are general instructions also given. Please go through this notification, and I'll be attaching this notification in the description box. Okay, and please use this opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.